Student, I give lecture on Introduction to Diesel Power Plants, Merits and Demerits of Diesel Power Plant, Selection of Site of Diesel Power Plants and Applications of Diesel Power Plants. First, we studied about the Introduction to Diesel Power Plants. Diesel power plant is nothing but the power plant in which the diesel engine is used as the prime mover for producing mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy is used to drive the generator for the generation of electrical energy. This is the definition of diesel power plants. In the diesel power plant, diesel engine is used to obtain the energy from the liquid fuel called diesel oil, which is used to convert this fuel energy into mechanical energy. Then the diesel engine is coupled with alternator or DC generator mechanically. The alternator or the DC generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So, this is the introduction to diesel power plants. Then, what are the merits of diesel power plants? The design and the installation of diesel power plant is very simple. These diesel power plants can be located at any place. Because the fuel is the diesel oil, is available in everywhere, so therefore is located at any place. Diesel power plants can be quickly procured and installed and commissioned. These power plants require less space for fuel storage and air and free from ash handling problems. Such power plants respond to varying loads without difficulty. The overall capital cost is less than that of the steam power plant. Less fire hazard. These power plants maintaining high operation efficiency irrespective of load. So these are the merits of diesel power plants. What are the demerits of diesel power plants? The first one is operating cost is high due to the cost of diesel fuel. Because the diesel fuel is used as a fuel in the diesel power plant. Then the diesel unit capacity is limited only. Therefore, it cannot be constructed in the larger size. The noise and air pollution is more. The repair and maintenance cost also high. That's why the operating cost is high. The lifetime of the diesel power plant is very less. That is 5 to 10 years. The diesel power plant has high running charges as fuel, that is diesel oil is used as a fuel. Therefore, the fuel cost is high. The diesel power plant does not work satisfactorily under overload condition for a longer period. These power plants can only generate small power because the diesel unit capacity is limited. The cost of lubrication is generally high in the diesel power plant. So these are the demerits of diesel power plants. Then, what are the selection of sites to be considered before the installation of diesel power plants? The first one is distance from load center. The site of the diesel power plant should be near to the load center as possible in order to avoid transmission cost and losses. Then, second factor is availability of land. The land should be available for cheap rates only. Then third one is availability of the fuel. The diesel oil is used as a fuel which should be easily available at a reasonable rates. The fourth factor is availability of transportation facilities. The transportation facilities should be available. The next factor is availability of water. The water is required for diesel power plant, so the water should be sufficiently available for cooling purpose. This power plant, that is the another factor is distance from populated area. The site should be away from the populated area because of noise and nuisance exhaust. That means noise and nuisance caused from exhaust. This is the disadvantages of diesel power plant. So therefore the diesel power plant located away from the populated area. The next type of land. The land should be of high bearing capacity to withstand the load of the power plant and also the vibration transmitted to the foundations from compressor and diesel engine. So like that we have to select the land. So these are the selection of site. That is, these are the factors to be considered for the selection of diesel power plant. Then we studied about the applications of diesel power plant. The first one is emergency plant. The diesel power plant can be used as an emergency power plant because the number of industries all over the country have installed diesel electric power plant in their premises to maintain essential services when supply from grid is not available. Then second one is these power plants are used for starting auxiliaries in steam power stations. That's why steam power plant can be used as an emergency power plant. Then in the mobile power plant, the diesel power plants are used. The mobile diesel power plants mounted on the trailers which are used for temporary and emergency purposes. Then other application, peak load plant. The diesel power plant can be started and loaded quickly. So therefore such type of the power plant can be used as a peak load power plants. The next application of the and then the last application of the diesel power plant is standby power plant. The diesel power plant can be used as a standby power plant when supply from grid is not available. Then second one is diesel power plant can be used in remote locations where the supply from the grid is not available. Then the use of diesel electric power plant during the construction stages of the thermal and hydroelectric power plant is very common. So these are the applications of the diesel power plant. Dear student, I hope that in this lecture video you clearly understand that the introduction to diesel power plants, merits of diesel power plant, demerits of diesel power plant and selection of site of diesel power plants. The last one is the application of the diesel power plants. Under this topic, what are the questions will come in the VT University examination? Write merits and demerits of the diesel power plant, then list out the merit and demerits of the diesel power plant. So the maximum mark is 6 mark questions. Then what are the factors to be considered the selection of site of diesel power plant? 6 mark question. You have to write the 7 factors. Sometimes write down the applications, 4 mark question. So you write down emergency power plant, peak load power plant, standby power plant. The another one is mobile power plant. 4 types of the power plant only is the applications. Thank you student for listening this video.